Introducing Broadcom Mainframe Essentials. Mainframe Essentials provides all currently licensed Broadcom Mainframe Software customers valuable resources to monitor and manage their mainframe environments at no additional charge. Downloads are available under the Additional Downloads tab of every Broadcom Mainframe product. Mainframe Essentials is a collaboration of Broadcom Mainframe software capabilities to provide portfolio management to help you manage your mainframe software installations, including maintenance and maintenance risk assessment. Expert assessments. Broadcom experts analyze your environment and provide in-depth analysis. Insights to Broadcom Common Component Services. Required components of your Broadcom mainframe software investment. Tools to streamline the process of working with Broadcom Support through collection of data and uploading to support site. View actively running work and held output all in one place, minimizing jumping around displays. Mainframe Essentials delivers these capabilities through both on and off platform solutions. Install and configure the components you desire. There is no ongoing data collection, so there's no duplication of data or competing for resources with other monitoring tools. Zip utilization is maximized in an effort to minimize resource costs. System resources are only consumed when a user issues a command or runs a toolkit batch job. For some capabilities, gathered data is uploaded and processed, analyzed, and reported on in a secure nature outside your mainframe environment. These capabilities are provided through existing Broadcom mainframe offerings. Sysview Essentials is a specific, lightweight configuration of Sysview performance management. Mainframe Resource Intelligence, or MRI, is a SaaS-based analysis offering utilizing a small toolkit to gather data for processing off-platform. Sysview Essentials is a lightweight, no-cost configuration of Sysview performance management that performs no data collection. There are no license keys necessary. If you are already a Sysview licensed customer and have Sysview installed, configured, and current on maintenance, you have all these capabilities today. Utilize the Sysview Essentials primary menu for quick access to all of these available capabilities. Manage and maintain all of your SMPE installed products to the Sysview Essentials PTF analysis commands. See what all mainframe products you have installed, not just Broadcom. Drill into a product and see what maintenance is installed in your SMPE environment but not applied. For Broadcom products, you can also see a risk assessment of each PTF, helping you to prioritize your maintenance tasks. Common Component Services are a required component for Broadcom mainframe products. Sysview Essentials provides commands to assist you with viewing your Broadcom Common Component Services components, such as Data Mover or Message Service, your LMP keys, or CA Master and related components. Working with Broadcom Support, Sysview Essentials provides you with easy-to-run data collection commands to gather environment information and product-specific configuration information, providing support with the information they need to quickly address your issue. Once the data is gathered, a command is provided to upload that information directly to your support case. While maintaining mainframe products, it is common to run configuration or deployment jobs. Using PTF analysis to see what maintenance is installed, you can then run those jobs, stay within Sysview Essentials to view the actively running job or the held output. These capabilities minimize the need to jump around to perform product maintenance tasks. Mainframe Resource Intelligence provides more capabilities within Mainframe Essentials, offering you access to experts who can assess your data for capacity, security, or software stacks. Automated assessments are also available, all through a convenient web user interface and hosted off-platform, minimizing your resource utilization. The MRI Software Solutions Report is an example of an automated report that can be run as often as you like. This report consumes your product configuration information gathered from the convenient toolkit, displays a report on your current installations indicating what versions are in use, what features are in use, and industry best practice recommendations based on your specific configuration and environment. MRI is easy to run. You simply log in, download a small toolkit, run it on your system to collect the data, upload the data to the MRI tool. Easily access the MRI offerings at mri.broadcom.com. To access Mainframe Essentials, simply log into Broadcom Support and go to your mainframe downloads page. Select any mainframe product you're currently licensed for and navigate to the primary download page. Click on the Additional Downloads tab where you'll see Mainframe Essentials. Expand the list and get started today. Get started with Mainframe Essentials today. Enjoy these valuable capabilities to maximize your mainframe product investment.